Take out all accessories. Take a side panel and lay it flat on the ground. Take a shelf panel and align it with the screw holes on the back of the side panel. Then screw in the screws. Take out the front panel and align it with the screw holes on the side panel. Fix it on the front panel and screw in the screws. Install the back pull panel in the same way. Take another side panel and lay it flat on the ground. Then flip the other assembled side panel over. Align the screw holes on the side panels and screw in the screws respectively. Take a cabinet door. Align the cabinet door hinge screw holes with the side panel screw holes and screw in the screws. Install the other cabinet door in the same way. Cabinet wall mounting. Mark the drilling position through the cabinet screw holes. Use a 10mm impact drill bit to drill holes at the marked positions. Insert the expansion plugs. Take the screws with nuts and washers installed and insert them through the screw holes into the positioning bolts. Tighten and cover with the nuts to complete. Tighten the screws on the decorative cabinet door handle. Install another cabinet door using the same method. Faucet installation. Unscrew the locking nut and silicone washer. Insert the faucet into the faucet hole. Put on the silicone washer and nut, then tighten. Sequentially put on 2 water inlet hoses and screw into the faucet interface. Place the basin to ensure it is stable and secure. Drain installation. Unscrew the silicone gasket of the drain and place it into the drain hole. Put on the silicone gasket and tighten the drain pipe. Mirror cabinet installation. Measure the position of the positioning holes on the back of the mirror cabinet. Mark the drilling position on the wall. Drill holes at the marked positions. Insert the expansion plugs. Install screws leaving about 5mm protruding outside the wall. Simply hang the mirror cabinet on the screws. Installation completed.